Alright, I'm in Jammu and Kashmir, the most militarized region in the world, and while it's technically a war zone, the combat's mostly localized to the LOC between Pakistan and India. It feels relatively peaceful where I'm at. It is a little freaky how many masked soldiers there are with no patches or ID of any kind. Those aren't usually the type of people you film, but I probably ended up getting a few clips on accident since there's like a soldier for every 4 civilians up here. Control of this territory is disputed by India, Pakistan, and China, and I can see why they're fighting over it, man. It is absolutely beautiful. Let me show you. What? It's -2 right now? Doesn't feel like it. Maybe I'm getting used to it. Alright, shower time. And on that side. Your camera, that's right. Farmland.
04.
How are you, man?
I'm fine, sir.
Perfect. It's good to see you again, Pops.
Beautiful turquoise Buddha.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Man, relax.
I'm relaxed. I'm ready for a swim.
Relax, everyone, relax.
We got like 9 people on a 3-man boat. We are half an inch from the water entering this boat. We are going in. There goes all my footage from the whole trip. This is f***ing crazy, dude.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Oh, I like it. I'm gonna like this
adventurous.
swim. I'm gonna like this exercise, man. See you in the hospital. You better sit your ass down. Who gets first bite? First bite. First bite. Oh, there we go. Yay!
Actually, for 6 months.
You think so? 6 months?
Adopt. He wants to adopt.
Oh, you're gonna adopt me? You get me?
Man, they're gonna feed you well.
Yeah.
Home cooked food.
You get me a job, Kashmiri woman. I stay.
Kashmir.
A job, a Kashmiri
Deal.
woman. I'm here.
Deal.
That's a deal. All right, I'm staying. I'm staying. Yeah, all right. No problem. Good night, man. Alright, we're doing this by sunlight because it's like 60-40 whether we're actually going to have power here. I was going to try to hitchhike up here because you can legally walk on the roads in India, but all the roads are destroyed right now from the weather and the landslides, and the train systems are wrecked too from COVID, so you have to fly everywhere like a punk. It's super cheap, but whatever. I land here and they pull me and the other 2 internationals on the plane aside, and they're like, "What are you guys doing here?" So those 2 are here to visit a cousin. They turn to me, they're like, "Why are you in Kashmir?" And I'm like, man, your guess is as good as mine. Like, I just do things, man. Do I look like I know what I'm doing here? 3 hours later, I'm released from the airport. Generally, when you see half-destroyed buildings with Arabic graffiti on them, it's a bad sign, but I'm loving it here so far. I'm staying on a boat in the middle of the lake, which is essentially like a floating log cabin, mostly just cutting it up with the guys that work here. So the guy that owns it, he has like 2 boats here and then like a little house where they like do all the cooking. When it's nice outside, we coast around on the boats, and out here on the lake, everybody has like hookah or snacks or whatever in their boats, and you like float around, just say what's up, hang out. If it's too cold, we hang out inside, watch YouTube and whatnot. And let me tell you, these guys tear it up in the kitchen.
Hello. The bun will miss milk.
Here, pass it up front, man. Somebody take this one to everybody.
शीनू को बोल दिया वो सारी मेडिसिन्स ले ली हुई हैं ऑलरेडी
हीना बोल रही मैंने शीनू को बोल दिया
He's gonna put us in the f***ing lake, dude. Yeah. Oh, we're good and stuck now. Yeah.
Four low लगाओ 4 low लगाओ 4 low लगाओ
Are we stuck? Off-roading seems fun until you get stuck in the mud. I'm American. I'm supposed to be sitting back clean, waiting for them to get us out and then tip them. It's a damn shame. Look at those boots. They're clean as hell, just sitting in the car waiting. There we go. Oh, bro, your car is wet now. It's got mud all over this thing. But look at this guy. This hero. He's getting pissed, dude. He's pissed. He's gonna fucking kill these guys. In America, we have sour cream and onion. Here they have American style. It's too chill here. Last night we were all sleeping on the floor by the firelight from the ovens here. We got the heated blankets going. I've been sleeping with earplugs in, and it's not because of the gunfire or shelling. It's because they absolutely crank the Muslim prayer songs like 5 times a day, starting mad early. But aside from that, I've pretty much integrated seamlessly now. I'm wearing like a Kashmiri poncho thing, helping villagers paddle like 20 minutes into town to get a rusty metal tin of milk powder. I feel like I live here, man. I met this guy whose dad was a local politician, and he was tight with Ramdas and everything, so he basically knows everybody in town. And it's funny now, I go around, I mention YouTube, everybody wants to be in the video. Hey, I'll put you in the... Hey, hi. This is my boy Fazan Khan.
Yes. So they went inside the ammunition room, the main ammunition room, and they fought for 4 days.
Holy
Non-stop.
shit.
This was like way back.
Like a
And
siege.
after that, they sealed all the mountains.
I thought it was like a skiing thing.
No.
Those lights are up there for the military? It's in Gulmarg. Here's a fucking war zone, huh? Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Yeah.
tank?
Yeah.
It's Pakistani tank.
That's a Pakistani tank. They're displaying it there. Man. 99.9% Muslim.
अज़ाब क्यों होगा वो तो खुली होगी.
And you're not allowed to have movie theaters?
No.
Holy shit, by law?
Yeah.
Legally. Wow. Porn's illegal, no movie theaters. What else?
Liquor.
No liquor.
You cannot drink.
You can't drink.
You cannot smoke weed.
I've been smoking weed and drinking every night.
No,
Do you think I'm
that's
so dumb?
very private.
But it's illegal. Holy shit.
If
That's crazy.
ले लो तो अच्छी बात है ना.
No, but
What, they'll beat you up?
it's fine.
What the fuck?
insult किया.
That's crazy.
तुम बचपन में जब स्कूल
Is that the Indian
To be
military?
serious, if they're gonna cut you with wine or something.
I'm learning more about the military presence here, and there's a special wing of the J&K, the Jammu and Kashmir Police, called the SOG, Special Operations Group. Apparently, they have the authority to shoot anybody anywhere. They can just do whatever they want legally. It's like the special ops, but like mixed with, I don't know, Nazi prison guards or some shit. It's weird.
We have been ruled by too many people, you know. Turks, lot of different people, you know. It's bad, really hard history, you know, for us.
A lot of war.
They rule us like very badly, you know. We don't belong to them. It's our land. Say we want it's our land,
Yeah.
our culture, our life, you know. So don't occupy us. Nelson Mandela got the independence, but we need a good, true leader because Kashmiris, they're not united.
Right.
There are too many separatist leaders here, motherfucker. Everybody wants position. We don't have good education for united. You know, it's illiteracy, a lot of illiteracy. You know, that's where we fail.
Illiteracy.
And then they say we're a democratic nation. What the fuck you're treating us? We don't even what we produce. We have natural resources. We don't even use them properly for ourselves, and you guys take them away. You know, like Indians take them away from us. You know,
Yeah.
we don't have enough electricity for us, and we produce electricity. Most of the electricity in India produced from our power dams. You know.
It's like India, Pakistan, and China are all fighting over who gets to rule. You guys just want to be
They just
independent.
want a piece of us, man.
Yeah.
They all want a piece of us. Nobody have us. We want independent.
My friend sent me the U.S. travel advisory level 4 for Kashmir, where I am, and it's like, yo, update your will. If you're gonna go here, make sure somebody's taking care of your pets. Set up a series of secret questions and passwords so people can confirm that you're actually alive when you get kidnapped. Like, we're just chilling here, man. We're just barbecuing and rowing around on boats. It's pretty nice. However, man, we are going trekking in the mountains, way up in the upper Himalayas where there's no military presence, and that's where certain terrorist groups take up residence, so I'll keep you posted. If they ask for ransom, don't pay it, just let them cut my head off. I made my choices, man. What are these trekking permits for that we're getting? Is this for China? Pakistan? The trekking permit?